Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Serlen Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you how to checkmate with a rook and king. Okay, let's go to the moves. Checkmating with only king and rook is difficult for many chess players. This study will teach you, in my opinion, the easiest way to do it. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is king go to e4. The goal is to restrict the king to smaller portions of the board. Move the rook so that it forms a ball across the board. If rook go to a3, then king go to e5. Okay, if the king moves off, move the ball to shrink the king side of the board. Then again push the rook to a4 and king go to a5. If the king doesn't move off the board, then you need to bring your king to help out, move the kings up the board. That's why now white king go to d2. Okay, now you need to watch until finish this video. Watch here. And now the black king go to e5. Okay, move the king up again on d3. Okay, if the enemy king moves directly in front of your king, I'm telling again, if the enemy king moves directly in front of your king, you can push it up the board using rook a5 check. Okay, if king come to here on d5, then rook go to a5 and check. If you will watch until finish this video, if the black king go to e6, okay, then you need to push your king up to the board again on d4. Push the king to d4. If the enemy king is black kings, refuse to cooperate, you can use your king to push it to the side of the board on king e4. If king e4, f6 and king go to e4. Okay, if the black king moved to the left, okay, it could be pushed up the board with the rook, thus it will move to the right instead. Okay, now king go to f4, then again king go to h6, then king go to h6, move your king to the right again on king g4, then king go to g6. You need to watch careful because you need to push the rook to here on a6. Okay, then king go to f7, then make the right move with your king. Okay, yeah, king go to g5, then king go to e7, then king go to f5, then king d7, then again e5, then king go to c7, then again king go to d5, then king go to b7. Okay, king go to b7. You may notice a problem now. Okay, you may notice a problem. The black king is about to take your rook. Okay. Now the black king is about to take your rook. Move the rook to the other side of the board. That's why rook go to h6. Then king go to c7. Now we have another problem. You need to watch carefully because the kings are out of alignment. Okay, kings are out of alignment. So you can no longer push the black king to the side of the board. Make a waiting move with the rook. I'm telling again, we have another problem. The kings are out of alignment, so you can no longer push the black king to the side of the board. Make a waiting move with a rook. Okay, now rook come to waiting moves on rook g6. Then king go to b7. We will see. Now the kings are back in alignments. Make the right moves. You need to make the right moves. Right move is king come to c5. Then king go to a7. Then king come to b5. Now king go to b7. Then rook go to g7 and check. Then king go to c8. Again king push the b6. Then king go to d8. Then king go to c6. King e8. Then king go to d6. Then king f8. You need to watch carefully. Now the black king going to cut white rook. That's why you need to push the rook to a7. Then king go to g8. Then rook come to b7, waiting moves. Then king go to f8. Then king go to e6. Then king go to g8. Then king go to f6. Then king go to h8. Then king go to g6. Then king go to g8. Now last move, rook go to b8. Beautiful checkmate. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.